my last vlog, you saw that the rain was really coming down and the blue bucket that is in the centre of the guttering was really full. Well, it actually started overflowing, which usually would be great that we've got so much water, but we needed a way to bung up the middle hole so that we could then divert the water once the bucket's full into the 1,000 litre container. So Simon's found this fabulous little invention called a pipe inspection bung. And basically it's two big washers with a piece of rubber in the middle, and you tighten up that there and the rubber bulges out and becomes tight inside the downpipe. Best thing is, when I want the water to run back into the blue bucket, there's a cap on the end and you just unscrew that. You can see all the way through. How ingenious is that? So I can just close the cap whenever I want the water to stop going into the blue bucket and to go into the 1,000 litre water container instead. Right then, so it's loose at the minute. Let's put that in there so it's flush. So that part I'll have to push into the downpipe that's there. And we turn. It's really hard to turn it. Well, that's completely solid in there now. Hang on. I think that's about it. I can't pull it out. Right, so let's see how it fits.